Today we're going to learn how to change the display names of classes in Teacher ParentSquare accounts. You may wonder why a teacher might even want to change the display names of his or her classes. Official names of classes are synced from PowerSchool to ParentSquare, and by default, portions of the official names show as display names in a teacher's list of classes. For example, this teacher has 7 or 8 classes, all named very similarly. And some teachers, such as this example elementary music teacher, might have as many as 50 or 60 class groups, with the portions of the official names displayed being very similar or even exactly the same. So locating and selecting a specific class to send a ParentSquare message could be tedious. Taking time to change the display names may make sending ParentSquare messages much faster and easier throughout the term. For those with 50 or 60 groups, it would definitely be worth it. In this example, another elementary music teacher, she has changed her display names of classes to reflect the year, the homeroom teacher name, and grade. And as you can see, this would make locating and selecting a specific class or group among her 50 or 60 choices much easier. Once you've decided you want to change the display names of your classes, the steps are very easy. I'm going to walk you through them. The first thing you will do is log into Classlink. Click on the ParentSquare icon. You will have 2 choices, Home and Admin. Click on the Admin tab. From your Admin dashboard, scroll over Data Assistant and choose Classes. On this screen, you will see a scrolling list of all of your classes, and the first name will be the official name, and directly underneath it, if you haven't made any changes, will be the exact name again as the display name. You can see in this example it's already been changed. But for each of your classes, go to the end of the row and click on the 3 dots under Actions. A list of options will pop up. You may not have the exact same options that I do, but you will have Edit Class. So click on Edit Class. Notice that the name and class ID are grayed out. These are synced with PowerSchool and cannot be changed. However, you can click in the display name box and make changes. Be very thoughtful and purposeful as you choose your new display names. They are not private and may be visible by district administrators, building administrators and teachers, and parents of included students. Consider a naming convention that will work for you. Again, in this example, this elementary music teacher used the year, homeroom teacher, and grade. You may want to use something different, possibly your course content title or class period. Here is an example. Once you have put in a name that you feel good about and are happy with, go ahead and click Save. And then repeat those steps for each one of your classes. Remember, choose appropriate logical naming conventions and be consistent. Once you've manually changed and saved the display names of all of your courses, success, you can now close out of ParentSquare. And the next time you log in, it will be much easier to select a specific group or class to send a message. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you have any questions about this or any instructional technology, please reach out to your instructional technology specialist.
On Tuesdays, we have open office hours. Those are from 2:30 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon for you to ask any instructional technology questions that you have. If we don't know the answer then, we can absolutely get back to you with a Screencastify, a Zoom, or an in-person meeting to help you out. Here's the next few weeks worth of trainings. Stay tuned for more. If you need help with this or other instructional technology, reach out to us at instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net. Join our YouTube channel at Tech Tip Tuesday, or visit us at our website, tinyurl.com/cmcssits.